Come with cooking akog si Ate Julie. Here is our master chef who has been cooking since childhood. Ate Julie. With his incredible talent of cooking, she will prepare lami pig meat. Just kidding, Bulad. I don't even know what this. With very skillful hands, she can cook the most delicate food. But except my pansin canton. Ayaw pagkatawad nila doon.
Turbo.
Turbos. Using her turbo hands, she will prepare power. Which is so baho diri because she put vinegar. Even ako gani, I have to no. I am so baho because the vinegar is so baho.
Bro, sa ngayon.
Give me that. I'll use this as my support. As she will put
Rico,
more
lechon.
kawaii.
But the record.
Which we are cooking more.
Imo na silang i-post sa YouTube. Kita na mo na yung naong sa
As she uses her magical hands, she cooks lamay pansin canton. Ayaw pagkatawa. Let's look at how nice our rice. Tapaso ako's cellphone.
Then,
Okay.
Come.
Okay, I gotta return the soap now. No longer baho. Wait for me! As we put it in the magical item.
Turbo.
As we put it inside the Jana Stutso 4000. Here's our senior citizen dire. Okay, let's look at our second worker. Watching Ate Bilin. Using her special. Aray ko po. There you go. Okay, as she closes it, we shall wait for 5 million years. I'll just skip your part. It's called the Turbo 4000. Hala, linog! Linog, pero we're still gonna lupa. Be careful, it's on. Wait for me. Wait for me. I said wait for me. Wait for me, baboy. Recordan na ka. Oh, tara. Bate na dawong tira.
Manawong is batik kaayo.
True. Dili. Hugawan maayo.
Oh no.
A
Savage.
Oink, oink, oink. This will dispense water like its mama depends on it. That's mineral. Just kidding. It's connected to here to here. Wait, no. This one is connected to here. Boing. As we look at our amazing cooking items, we shall look at how much I love to eat buldak ramen. Buldak ramen right here. Yes, especially with cheese.
Cheese?
And it's just pati da 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 wow.
Okay, magbayad ako.
Coca-Cola mo appeal ko.
Coca-Cola.
Yes, I want to appeal
Put a filter.
to buy the Coca-Cola with the 100 peso that I gave you.
Wala off.
Oh my gushy. We forgot. Emergency cell phone. We have our special air fryer. Yay. Apil man ko. Ingan man ka, apil man ta. Oh, ingan man ka. Naingan man ka. Mantik ka.
Wait lang ako.
Let's go to get Coca-Cola. I got my special umbrella. Ha?
One lang.
2. Para ma-diabetes ako, Lula. Pero Ate Julie, naingon man ka ako, apil ko. Helicopter. Alright, this baboy is taking too long. Okay, this baboy is taking too long. Huh? Okay.
Wala, guman na og ligo.
Wait for me. Okay. Grabe. At wala man siya natawag sa ako. Wala. Abi siya, ako, ikaw. Here. Dili, na-surprise, naingan siya, dahil. So we got nothing to worry about. Ouch. Will I crack? Thank goodness will I crack. Ate Julie, na-crack or
Slide
wala?
ko na pag yun.
Na-crack or wala?
Bong nasad na.
Wala man. Don't tell her. Guys, don't tell her. Oh my gosh. My recording string. Gotta punch this. Okay, let's. Ate Julie, ingon man ka apil man ta. Lagi after when? After manako na buhi? Unsa man after manako na buhi? Where is it? Noink. Alright, watch me. Okay. is it here? Okay. Damn, that takes 10 minutes.
Ay!
Yeah, yeah, senor. Unsa?
Nah, si RJ.
Sulit ang iring.
Ah,
Mimi. Nasulod jud siya. Get out! Stubborn. Convince her out. The Legions of Doom! Yes, sir. Yeah, I should have that done that. Huh? Okay, yay.
I-off lang yung imong phone.
Off na ako.
Imong record.
Ha? Dili ko. Dili man ko ma-short. Ano man? But that's all for today. Bye.